Welcome to Photography 161. This is a traditional course taught in an entirely new way, online. It should be a lot of fun for you. There are many technical principles in photography that will help you to craft great images. We will work especially hard to develop your aesthetic sense. What makes a good picture? How do I compose a picture to communicate my ideas about the subject? To go forward with an online presentation, you need to access Blackboard through the MyMC portal, which I'm sure that you all are all familiar with. Find courses, quote, in which you are a student. The CRN number for this course is 31606. You will notice at this listing a group of announcements which you should always read. Please click on that course, 31606. If you click on this course number, it will bring you to the home page of this course. That is where I am starting with the video portion of this communication. There is a menu for the course in a sidebar with a light yellow background. On the home page, there is a My Announcements item listing all current announcements and a What's New item listing your course and a discussion board. Continuing on the tour of the Blackboard site, click on the syllabus page. This document is very important. It outlines procedures and policies. It contains a lot of information sheets dealing with various technical aspects of photography. In addition, there are pages which detail the topic for each week's meeting. Assignments will be listed under the topic for each week's meeting. There will also be notifications about assignment due dates. On this page, you can see that the illustration is an excellent motion photo from a student portfolio done last spring. Going back to the menu on the light yellow background, click Course Content. On this page, you will see various units listed. Each unit does not correspond to 1 week's class. Often it takes more than one class to complete a unit. If you click on each unit, you will see a table of contents that will contain PowerPoints, information sheets that are in addition to those in the syllabus, sample portfolios, and assignments. I will click on Unit 1 for an illustration. You can see in Unit 1 that there is a table of contents and a number of different activities and information for you. Before we start the unit, it's not a bad idea for you to go through these documents just peripherally. You can be sure that I will explain them during our Zoom meeting. Going back to the menu on the light yellow background, you can see that the next item is discussions. If you click on that, you will see that I have already set up a discussion that will examine what camera you plan to use for this course. We do the course with digital single lens reflex cameras. If you have one, that will work perfectly. If not, the college lends equipment to students. Other items in the menu include course mail, which is email between you and me. There is a link for MC resources, which include academic resources, technical support, and information about accessibility at MC. The next item on the light yellow menu is a help item. This would be appropriate if you have some Blackboard issues. There's also a link called Library, and when you get to that, you can access various library services. You will also see as the last link one that is called Zoom. This will list the meetings that we will be having for class. I will give you more information about that later, how you get into meetings, and I will be sending invitations to meetings. I hope that this is an informative tour of my Blackboard site, and I look forward to working with you in Photography 161.